Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to bring you guys new content. So if you want to see more on how I achieve this overall look, continue watching. Alright, so I went to Ulta the other day and I wanted to try something different. And I've never tried Dose of Colors before. And so Sassy Sienna's palette, this one right here. In the Sassy Sienna's palette, we have this one right here is So Sassy. This Oh So Sassy, I'm sorry. Oh So Sassy. This one is Bossy. This one is Foxy. This one is Brassy. And then this one right here is Stay Sassy. And then what I like about this palette, it's kind of like similar like how Urban Decay is. You get a little brush inside of the palette and yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna start by priming my lids first with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I really love this eyeshadow base. It's very, I actually kind of like this better than the other one, the purple one. The name is not coming to mind right now, but I love this one as a base. So I'm gonna put this all over my lid first to create this nice, soft, summery look. I'm a summer girl, especially because if you live in Houston, this weather has been so disrespectful toward us. But you know what? I'm not gonna complain that much because, you know, God allowed us, He allowed us to see another day. He allowed us to see winter. And not everybody gets to say that. So, thank God for that. Even though I did pray for more sunshine. I surely did. I pray for more sunshine. Oh man, that's what I get for running my mouth. So I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. I'm just kind of blend it out a little bit with my Urban Decay brush. And I'll be back un momento to get this little speck off my face. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is Brassy, this one right here, and I'm gonna use my Urban Decay brush for that. And just swipe that back and forth on my lid. And I don't want to go too high up. I just want to really stay right here in the crease area. And then I'm gonna smoke it out in a few. And bring it all the way toward the inner corner right there. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go in with the clean brush, which is my MAC 286 brush. And with this brush, I'm going to blend Brassy on out. Just gonna create a nice sharp look. So going into the darkest shade, this is Stay Sassy. I'm gonna add this to my crease just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And the brush that I'm using for this is the MAC 286 brush. You want to stay right there under your brow bone. You don't want to go above your brow bone. And blend that baby out. Even if you get tired of blending, keep blending. Keep going. Keep blending. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors brush that it came with. I think I'm going to do, I'm bossy. I'm going to do bossy. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl pulling the track. I switched to the beat of the drum. And something on the track. I brought all the boys to the yard. That's right. I'm the one that's tattooed on his arm. I'm bossy. I ain't heard that song in so long. I don't even remember the words. They used to be the jam back then. Just put this on the lid.
All right. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I'm loving this look so far. I'm gonna put some more Stay Sassy into my crease because I feel like some of it disappeared when I was adding Bossy. There we go. Make sure you go in soft-handed, not too heavy. Don't add too much product. There's definitely a look going on here. We're gonna do Stay Sassy under eye. Yeah.
So to apply Stay Sassy, I'm going to use my Morphe E18 brush.
And when you're doing this, make sure that you, for your under eye, that you are really blending it out so it doesn't look too dramatic. And it doesn't look like you just took some eyeshadow and just went onto your face. Alright, so once we're done with that, we're going to go into this color right here next, which is Bossy. Let's add a little bit right here to kind of open up this eye a little bit. And I'm going to only add this toward the back.
Using that other side of the pencil brush by Dose of Colors, I'm going to go back into Bossy, and I'm just going to add this to the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm not going to bring that across my entire lash line because I just want to add that intense color toward the outer corner.
We are done with this. Now we're going to add the Sephora. It's kind of faded off. I'm just going to use a brown liner. And I'm going to find out for y'all because I've used it in another video before, and I'm going to just put that in the description box.
So all I'm doing now is using my Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to blend that out.
I'm now going to add my Becca and Topaz highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with Olay, Chamomile, and Lavender. I love this stuff. Now I'm going to go add my lashes and add some mascara, and I'll be right back with the finished look, and then we're gonna get onto this hair.
So I've applied my lashes and my mascara, and now we're doing hair. I'm using my Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil one. I always end up using this when it comes to my sleek down looks. I apply that first and smooth that onto my edges and also toward the sides and on the back. And from there, I apply my HICKS edges, which is a staple for me, and just smooth that everywhere I added my Eco Styler gel. Look at it, just laying on down. And then grab your brush and use the soft side, do not use the hard side. And then I'm going to use my elastic band that I cut like always. Then I'm just going to simply pull it on in, brush my hair up all the way toward the front of my face. That's how I create that high tight pony, that pineapple in a sense, and bring it toward the front of my face. And then I'm gonna add a couple of bobby pins to hold this in place. And then we just gonna grab that HICKS again, and then also my edges brush, because who loves laid edges? I love laid edges. I truly, truly do. I love my edges to be laid down. And then I'm going to fluff it out with my pick a little bit more, and voila, we are done with hair. This is how I wear my hair 9 times out of 10 all throughout the week. And then to add lipstick, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors in CORK. I love this. This is a matte lipstick, and I wanted somewhat of a shiny, glossy type look today. So I then grabbed my Mented in Sin Nudes and put that on top. Now don't mind me as I boast myself up really quick, but yes, Jazz, girl, work it. You did it and you added lashes too. Up, don't smile just yet. Got a little bit of lipstick on your teeth. Get that off. Alright, so now that I am done, I hope you ladies enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope you get the same results or even better. See you next time.